Really, that started organically as a young girl. I think like many girls, I was always intrigued by beauty. And then really by happenstance, I entered the salon world in my first job as a front desk manager and then later as an esthetician. And then I actually left the industry for quite some time and worked in business and marketing and sales. And now I've really came back to my roots and kind of married all of the things together that I've learned over the years. I mean, it feels pretty amazing. I truly live, eat, and breathe our industry, and I live, eat, and breathe my people. So in saying that, that would be my team. It ignites me. I wake up thinking about it, I go to bed thinking about it, I dream about it. It's absolutely my passion. And really our passion here at the Hills is to be not only a one-stop shop, but to be involved with our clients on a personal level, where we're actually developing your beauty advising plan. Because much like most people have financial advisors, why wouldn't you have a beauty advisor? Here at the Hills, we sit with you and we work out everything from your hairstyle to your skincare plan, all based around what your specific needs are, because stay-at-home mom's needs are going to vary from any kind of maybe a business traveler. So we take all that into account, but still let you individualize it and really express who you are. And we have fun doing it. I personally stay up at night to read about trends. I'm excited to see what's going on in skincare. As an esthetician, I want to know everything about the latest product, the latest advancement, and what we can do for you, and make sure that we're able to offer that to our clients.